Aloha mai kākou, Aaron Mahi here for another Nā Huaʻōlelo Ka Malama, the Hawaiian word of the month. This, of course, still being Yanuali or Kaelo. Partners in Development Foundation inspires and equips families. The word for family is ʻOhana. Those having blood relations or strong social affiliations, also having family gathering for worship. When we were very young, we would get called by our grandparents to gather the family. E ʻoluʻolu ʻoe, e kāhea mai ʻoe ka ʻohana, no ko kākou hui pule ʻohana. Please, go and call out to the family to gather for family worship. Another one of the beautiful cultural perspectives of our Hawaiian people. We hope you enjoy this and come back for another word from Nā Huaʻōlelo Ka Malama. Aloha.